My dear friends, this is the rain scene here. All the dried leaves and all that have fallen onto the ground and is fully drenched in water. All our trees are having happy time. It is little quite sunny now. I think the sun may come out and the rain may subside. I don't know. There's a lemon tree, mango tree, hibiscus. It has grown tall and the flowers are up in the sky. The neem tree, the badami maram, the coconut trees, moringa, curry leaves, nuna noni, mango cane, sitapal or custard apple, and some banana, hibiscus, bleeding heart, and tulsi. And we had some insulin plants